Why are there not more people talking about the truth behind knuckle cracking? We're about to debunk a major myth. So, what's happening when you crack your knuckles? That popping sound is actually just gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. It's totally normal and harmless. Now, about the arthritis thing. Studies have shown that there's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. Yep, you heard that right. It's just an old wives' tale. But there is a catch. Cracking your knuckles too often can lead to some minor issues like swelling or reduced grip strength. So maybe don't go overboard. Bottom line, cracking your knuckles isn't going to give you arthritis. Feel free to pop away, just don't drive your friends crazy. Got any other health myths you want busted? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.